Follow up to my brief overview of my solar with the Ecoflow array. Here I have 12 shot solar panels, or 235 watts. They were used when I got them. Connected, run through this lovely chaos. Don't mind the mess. That's why it's Joe Made Chaos. Yes, I need to upgrade my setup, but here we go. It's currently charging. I'm currently taking on power. Each of those are 6 kilowatt hour modules. Solar's coming in. There is no power coming out. This is my power cord. Sorry for the cruddy videography. Here is the inlet, and I plug it right into. I currently don't have enough power to justify starting to drain it. I'm just going to top off the battery today, and I can just plug the stuff on it and show you. I'm going to tag over it and show you numbers momentarily. Note that I just made those numbers, so this is going to show 1% higher than shows. This Ecoflow app tells me where I am, where I need to be with my device. I have 64% charge. I have 2 kilowatts coming in off my 12 panels. But the deal is, it probably won't fill me up today, because here's my history for yesterday. So today, sorry, I have 6.15 kilowatt hours. Yesterday, I made 9.7. So I've got a little over 3 kilowatt hours left, possibly based on where my afternoon shade is. And this is 64% of 18 kilowatts. It's 3 6 kilowatt hour modules. It's not going to top it off, so I can plug it in and start discharging tonight and fill it up tomorrow. Since I have set this up, here is my, oh, not the whole year. If I go to the year, that's 2025. Here is 2024. You can see I started in October and have a little under 750 kilowatt hours in. You can switch it to output, and you could probably do that for efficiency and see that I took out 653 kilowatt hours. I'm not going to bother to do the math on how efficient it is. It serves my purposes.